Assalamualaikum. My name is Rais, and I will present to you the introduction, importance of router, and the analysis for this project. So the introduction, our group, the assignments have been instructed to do fourth order bandpass activity using OPM 741. And the fourth order bandpass should have two, four open, and then the output have one more for the amplifier. Yeah. Okay, so the importance of the active filter and electronic transmission, it is using communication to reduce noise and then to isolate that signal to be by itself, not with other signals. So then it will interact with each other. Not like that. Then enhance, amplify the output signal so that it doesn't just get so quiet. And then this is all just history. And then the benefit of active filters is that it is cheaper than passive filters. The equipment is also more compact, more complicated. No, not complicated. Yeah, compact. And then the stuff about the music and biomedical, using the low voltage levels and frequency, like electrocardiograms, ECG, EMG, EEG. Okay, so the analysis for this project, the circuit is done by TULASI, and I'm doing the troubleshoot, and then the manual calculation. This is the one that I did. Before that, I want to clarify that I made some mistakes ordering resistors and capacitors value. The mistakes were the resistor should be 100 ohm, but we ordered 100 kilo. So the hardware simulation is just it's just now. We don't have enough time to order a new ones and go in lab, do another lab. So we just stick with simulation. For the calculation, I just refer to lecture notes and a couple of YouTube videos. I just assume the value of R, and then get the value of C, and then the DF, which is a table from the lecture notes. And this is the result for simulation. This will be the high pass, and the right side of the graph is the low pass. Here we have a overshoot. There's probably some miscalculations on my part. Then this is the phase graph. Yeah. The result from this is an discussion. I hope that next time we can do better. Yeah. Sorry for the mistakes. I hope it doesn't cost us that much marks. Thanks for listening.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is KHAIRUN Aisyah Natasha binti HASLI with matrix number DE200058. So this is the manual calculation for our assignment. So for this part, A, FL and FH is being given to us. So we need to find the value for gain. Gain is 35156 and gain cutoff is 32.56 dB. So next we are going to find the CL, which is 7 kilohertz. And CL is 4.55 micro. CH is 63.66. So next, we are going to find RF1. So this is the calculation to find the value. And for the RF2, so this is the manual calculation. We got 15.2 ohm. And then this is the last part of our manual calculation. F5 equal to 9.05. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is TULASI from Group 9. So today I'll be continuing the presentation for our ECAT project. So I'll be covering the circuit simulation part for our presentation. For the simulation, a computer-aided software plays a major role in designing and simulating our proposed circuit. For this, we used a software called Multisim by National Instruments. This software will help us to design and simulate the circuit at how we proposed for. So this is the design of the circuit that we proposed. We have used the Multisim software to design our proposed circuit. Our circuit consists of 5 operating amplifiers act as the foundation for the circuit, and the rest of the components such as capacitors and resistors were placed appropriately for their respective functions of each operating amplifiers throughout the circuit. So those operating amplifiers will act as 5 different types of active filters, for example as high pass filter or low pass filter throughout the circuit. After designing and completing the circuit, now we're going to simulate the circuit by placing a voltage probe and an oscillator at the beginning and the end of the circuit. So once we click the simulate option, a new window pops up, show us 2 different graphs, which is the high pass filter and the low pass filter graph. So that is the results that we get throughout this simulation, and now I'm going to discuss about the analysis and discussion for our proposed circuit. So we can learn that the characteristics of band pass filter, or also known as the different types of band pass of filter used throughout the circuit, plays a different kind of functions at each stages of the circuit. Next is human errors are also unavoidable. This can be discussed as the actual circuit that we generated in the lab versus the simulation that we did in the software has a tiny bit of differences. The differences are majorly based on the type of components that we used versus the components that we used during the simulation, as the resistance value may vary based on each resistors that we used. So that's all for the simulation and discussion for our proposed circuit. So that's all from me. Thank you.